Hi lovely, I'm Cassidy. It's so great to have you here working out your core. I'm so thankful you're here with me because you inspire me, you help me to keep going. Thank you. In my 20 plus years of teaching Pilates, this is one of my go-tos to fire up my core reflex. This is ideal for beginners. Let's get to it. You're gonna start in a quadruped position. You want your toes curled under, your pelvis over your knees, long spine, head in line with your spine, and soft elbows so you don't lock out your elbow joints. Have your hands slightly above your shoulders to help activate your mid-traps. If it's uncomfortable for you to be on your wrists, you can use hand weights. It'll look like this. This can help take some pressure off the wrists. It may be more comfortable for you. Once you have found your quadruped position, you're gonna activate your inner thigh booty deep ab connection by pulling your inner thighs in towards each other. Once you feel that, you're gonna take a breath in, and then on your exhale, you're gonna fire up the belly, pull navel to spine as you just hover the knees over the mat. Anchor down into your toes, into your hands. You're gonna hold this as long as you can. Once you start to feel your quads or your upper back taking over, you wanna stop and rest. You should really feel your core reflex firing up, pulling navel to spine with each exhale. When you need to rest, just lower the knees and come off of your wrists to give them a rest. Holy smokes. You already may feel the heat like I do, yeah? Wow, I'm feeling it. You think you can do another one with me? Come on, you got this. Checking your quadruped position, toes curled under, inner thighs squeezing towards each other, long spine, soft elbows. Exhale, hover the knees. Anchor into your toes and your hands. Pull navel to spine on your exhales. If you notice your quads or upper back taking over, go ahead and rest. That's absolutely fine. Really working your core reflex. Feeling the core work, and holy smokes. And rest. Whew, nicely done. Do one more with me if you can. Here we go. In your quadruped position, using your breath, inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on, navel to spine on your exhale. Head in line with the spine. Use your breath. Nicely done. Go ahead and rest. Woo! Feeling the heat, right? All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. This is a really tough exercise. You did good today. I want to make sure you're getting the most out of this exercise, so if you have any questions or you're looking for some modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help you. So FYI, this is part 3 of 4. You can access part 4 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.